Hey, you guys, what's going on? So, I didn't really record my whole trip to Cali. We had a lot of hiccups. We did have a lot of fun. I actually ended up bumping into another Prime tanker who was going to the same location. So, we ended up trailing each other to Cali. It most definitely was a long trip. We've been on this load for a whole week. We ended up running into a couple of problems, but the load got dispatched to me a day late. So actually, I'm lying. Hold on. The load was ready Sunday, and I didn't get to the load until Tuesday. So it had already been sitting for a couple days. So it was going to be late regardless. I hate when the dispatchers do that to me. It's really annoying, but it happens. Anyway, I am going down Donner's Pass, California. I know that if you've been a trucker for a while, you've heard of Donner's Pass. Um, this was my first time really hearing of Donner's Pass, and I am just so happy that it was not snowing or any type of snow on the ground. Thank God. Now, guys, listen, this was a 40-mile long downgrade with curves and swerves and all type of stuff. But I actually made it down the downgrade. I didn't burn my brakes out. I didn't even smell my brakes. So what I did really was I just cruised. I had my Jake on the max that you can have it on, and I just cruised at a nice 40. I did pick up speed, so I did have to do I forgot what they call the braking method that I did. Stab braking. That's what they call it. Stab braking. I did do some stab braking. But yeah, guys, this is Donner's Pass.